Good morning, guys. It's Ray from CMA, and you're back in the shop with me this morning. So what I want to show you this morning is the framework that I'm doing on the Buick Skylark, so when I cut the floor out, this thing doesn't collapse. So what I've done is I've welded in an L channel to where the convertible top bolts in. I've made some plates. I welded this to the plates, so the plates bolt right into the side of the car. You can see it over there. It's all bolted in. From here, this thing has made a nice tray for me to rest the horizontal bars. So the bars are welded to the back of the tray here, the back of the L bracket, welded to the top of the pillar here. On the bottom, what I've done is I've welded this lower horizontal piece to the support, the lower support down here on the inside, because it's a thicker metal. I always want to go with thicker metal. I welded it to the lower pillar down there, and in this center here, what I've done is I've triangulated the braces, so there's no shifting forward to backward. So these horizontal beams will hold the front and the rear sections stiff and steady where they need to be, and this will stop it from doing any shifting. So where we're going to go from here is, once I got the rest of the beams, I got one more welding over there. Once all these are in, I got to start cutting out the floor. The full floor is over there. That's what's going in here. The reason I have to do all this is because the floor is the only thing that holds the front and the rear sections together. You cut out the floor, you have two separate pieces. So now, without any support, they're just going to be floating and flopping, and you've got to be really careful. But you have to be able to make sure that you can test fit the doors. That's why when I put all these beams on, I sunk them in far enough so when I put the door on, it won't interfere with the closing of the door. So now I'll be able to find out and know for sure that the doors are going to fit, the rear and front pieces are correctly welded into place, and yeah, so we got a big project ahead of us. So just wanted to give you an overview of what I'm doing here. This is a big project. It requires lots of preparation, and this was a lot of preparation. But with that, after this, I finish all this, I'm going on to the Roadrunner. I'm going to finish up the rear quarter, fit the door a little better. The door skin needs a little maneuvering and manipulation. And with that, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Share them, like them, subscribe on YouTube. And with all that, again, you guys have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you next video.